Go.
We Pythonese. Hashtag Python Simplified. Oh, so after your love for precious video, we have thought of continuing this series till a new video to present come. This time, continuing our discussion, we will explain further, and Rohan is the person in our last video. Yes, like, share, and subscribe to Pythonese. Let us start. This time, when the computer was teaching Rohan, his dad, a software engineer, arrives. Computer and Python do not talk anymore.
Dad, how was your day? All good? After all, you're brushing too much.
Yeah, all good. Instant today, our company, Python program, has become the first company to achieve success by Python so much.
It is great news. So, Dad, I have a question. How do you get so much time? You still have 4 hours for 9 pm?
Simple. Think something that someone else hasn't. And his dad's eyes fell on the program. Oh, infinity loop. Shall I teach you Python?
Yeah, I really need your help in for loop.
So, loops are basically in which we can access numbers, lists, or any items.
What is the difference between a while and a for loop?
While is called until some condition becomes false, but for loop ends as soon as items end. Come on, we should write a program that gives you example of for loop. Here is it. The total is the variable and number is also the variable. These 3, 4, 45, 65 are also items, and here we update it. So let us see. Here you go.
It is much easier than I thought.
Yeah, but its real use is in max and minimum loop. Let us see its demonstration also. Here, you can see large we have taken as none. You might be knowing about none type. So here we are taken the number as variable and these are the different items. Here it gives you the largest that is 77. It is the maximum of all these items.
So, in the minimum loop, we just need to change the sign in if and variable name for our understanding.
Yes, you are correct. First of all, let us also see its demonstration. Here you go. It is the smallest number is 5 and it ends here. Here ends the story of iteration. We'll see you in its exercise. Till then, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys.